Good evening, everyone. Before we go to bed tonight, there is this pay I'm looking at, and I'm thinking there will be an opportunity for us to actually execute a trade before we go to bed tonight. If we notice what's happening on USDJPY since the beginning of the month, we had a structure around this area which has been a strong demand level that has pushed price in a uniform trend continuation since the beginning of the month, as price continue to respect the bullish trend line. And I want to assume that we're having a rejection of this trend line to the upside from this area. Um, with this being said, I like to extend this trend line so that this I assume is going to be our guide into the next couple of hours how price action react, as a break below of this level will negate any expectation of a bullish continuation. So on the 4 hours time frame, the first thing I've observed is that we broke out of a support zone sometime yesterday. This is a support zone that I identified, and our no sorry our supply zone, I mean, and our supply zone is always red. So, and since the breakout of this supply zone, price has continued to reject the 124.7 level, which has now become, which probably is going to become the new um, demand zone, because we still have structures aligning with the trend line, and this gives us the opinion that might probably be continuing to the upside in that regard. So now, zooming in further to what price action is right now, we have a structure and which gives us a key level at this area at 1.25600. Please let me pull out my line chart for a moment. Okay, at this level, that's 1.25650 thereabout. We have a key level, and our key level is always gold. So let me label this 1.25600. I think key level at 1.125.600. So we place our key level at the top. Let me give it a 16 size so we're bold and clear. And the first thing you will notice is that after this key level, we had a breakout both of this key level, and which was followed by a rejection of that level around this area, and it goes like something like this: a breakout of that level and a rejection which also falls on the trend line and also around the key level area, which is going to be a strong confluence for a buy bullish momentum. So in this view, if we scale down to a much lower time frame in the form of the 1 hour time frame, we are want to be looking for a reversal structure around that key level, around that confluence. Let me delete this so we can have a clear picture. So following this impulse leg, it appears we are witnessing a retracement phase, which will probably end at a reversal structure around this area, and then a breakout of structure could be a signal, and a rejection of that structural level will be a confirmation for a trend continuation to the upside. So with this in view, the first thing I did is I just placed a pending order, a buy pending order at 125.677, with the intention that should price push further up, we can actually be in that trade and not miss that opportunity. As you can see, we have a hammer candle here, two hammer candles at this place, which is also um, um, a sign supporting the bullish momentum. So with this said, we have my take profit target at 126.7. I think I used 126.700 on my account, and that is around 100 pips. And why are we choosing 126.700 as our take profit target? The reason is because of this impulse leg that is identified here, and we're expecting a retracement into the what's it called, the golden zone area, which is between 50 and 786, retracement of that impulse leg, and that falls around this area. Give me a moment, let me okay, it falls around this area. So at this point, at this in this window, let me give it a yellow, light yellow, and we name it a buy opportunity zone. Buy opportunity zone. um let's put it inside and give it a green. um so let's say 50 to 78.6% retracement, so that we can have a visual perspective to our expectation. So what this means is this: we want to be looking for a reversal structure in whatever form you're looking for in this area. That is a double bottom, a reverse, a head and shoulder pattern, whatever it is, a breakout of structure, retest into this level, and price will spiral up. So like I was saying earlier, how did I come up with the take profit target at 126.700? This is as a result of a Fibonacci extension of the last impulse leg, which is using our Fibonacci extension tool. It falls between 127.2%, and that is around here. So that's why I have chose 126.700 as our bus stop at this juncture in the market. So I would like to pause the video here and see how price action reacts, and whatever happened, I shall keep you posted in the comment box below. Thank you and good night.